right, switching gears now to the weather, and a nice little surprise on the ground this morning.
Was it nice? That wasn't the word I was going to pick.
Well, it's melted now, so
Yes.
thanks to the warmer temperatures, so we'll go with that.
It was a crazy little reality check there, though, wasn't it, Ben?
Yeah, and you know, there was really wet snow. Even though it wasn't a lot, it was clinging to everything. It looked fantastic from inside the house, which is where a lot of us have been the last several days. Or I should say the snow totals did top 2 inches in a couple spots. That was mainly on the grass pavement, way too warm to support that across the area. White Lake Metro Airport picked up just over an inch of snow there. And by the way, that 1.5 for Metro Airport, that brings our total for the season almost to 38 inches. And that's actually about 10 inches more than we had last year at this time. That's hard to believe, even though we are running a little bit above average. However, we're the only ones in the state that can say that. The snowfall, even though it's a little bit below average, when you get up north, those snowfall totals not quite as much as they saw last year. Why is that important? Well, we're still looking at these lake levels, which are insanely high. 34 inches above normal at Lake Erie, Lake St. Clair 37 inches above normal, and Lake Huron 37 inches above normal as well. And of course, that snow melt, big contributor to those lake levels. So because they have less snow up north than we had last year, hopefully that'll be good news as we roll into spring. Storm pins, not really weather related, although there are some flakes there. It's the line at Tim Hortons. I think that everybody's really amazed at, but I'm sure that's going on in lots of spots. Don't forget, you can use storm pins to keep up with your neighbors. Anything, even if it's not weather related, post a picture and then let us know what's going on. Here's a look outside. We do have the clouds. Not going to see a ton of sunshine for the rest of the day, maybe a little bit tomorrow, but if we do see it, it's going to be early. Big change in temperatures as that jet, which is further south right now, starts moving way up to the north. In fact, that sucker gets up there to Hudson Bay next week. Normally, that would allow a lot of warm air in here. However, we've got a lot of clouds and rain coming over the weekend. Still going to be above average, just not quite as warm as we would be if we had the sunshine around. 32 tonight. Let's look at highs in the 4-zone forecast. And when you look at these numbers, just keep in mind, these are the coldest highs that we're going to have to contend with all week. And they're still in the upper 40s, so right around average for this time of year. We'll touch 50 in the city. In fact, there will be spots that actually get to 50, but most of these numbers are going to be in the mid to upper 40s. And with cloud cover around tomorrow for a decent part of the day, you're not going to see a whole lot of variation. North zone generally mid 40s here as we finish out, but it does get warmer. In fact, starting Wednesday, it's 50-degree highs. That takes us all the way into Monday. In fact, probably through the middle of next week, we'll see 50-degree highs. It's all above average. We just got to get through this rain over the weekend on Friday and Saturday first, guys.